We have some exciting bullfighting in this video, so hold on to your hats. Welcome to Fort Worth, Texas.
Hey guys, it's a beautiful day out here in Fort Worth. We're fixing to head to Dickey's Arena for the rodeo. Been a long time since we've been to a good rodeo.
Yes, sir. And no videoing allowed, so we won't be doing any videos there.
So, you know, we've been on a pretty good trip. We left a few days before the cold weather, and we made a big circle. We're just having a good time out here traveling. So, hope you enjoy our little bit of video, and we'll catch you a little bit later, right?
Right.
All right. Adios, as they say down toward the border.
Dickey's Arena hosts all kinds of events throughout the year. They also sell all kinds of food there and have large portion sizes. Craig's trying to get the video right.
Well, y'all want to do a close-up of us? There we are. How about that?
He is a real cowboy.
Yeah. Trained quite a few barrel and pole horses, and that was back in another life. Now we're just kind of, we don't want anything we got to feed and take care of anymore other than our dogs. So anyhow, we're going to the rodeo, as we said. What are we doing after that?
We've got to go to the John Wayne Museum.
That's kind of on my list. Big John Wayne fan.
Billy Bob's.
Yeah.
And see the cattle drive.
So
we've been to Fort Worth before, but we've missed the cattle drive, and so we're looking forward to that.
So we've got a busy few days here in Fort Worth.
And the original Cavender store. Oh
yeah, well, you know, we ain't gonna miss it. That's a highlight of the trip for somebody. Anyhow, I think I don't need any more cowboy hats. I think I got 3.
No, I'm wearing one.
I
borrowed one.
I throwed the 4th one away just the other day. It was a Stetson straw hat, and I've wore it and worked in it and whooped a dog with it, and
that's not very nice.
Well, I was afraid he was coming after me, and I put it in front of him. I actually didn't whoop him. It
wasn't our dog.
I distracted him with it, so. And it's blew off my head a time or two into some water, and so.
It was time.
It was time to
say goodbye.
Say goodbye and retire that hat. Yeah. Oh, all right. All right, we're gonna get out of here. We'll send you some videos out there of where we're going and what we're doing. Adios again.
See ya. Thanks for watching. The Old West comes to life before your eyes during the world's only twice-daily cattle drive presented by the Fort Worth herd. Real Texas cowhands drive a herd of Texas Longhorns down East Exchange Avenue in the Stockyards National Historic District every day at 11:30 a.m. and 4 p.m. Every detail of the cattle drive, from the saddles and chaps to the boots and hats, is authentic and historically true. Well, it's our last video.
What do you mean it's our last video?
It's our last video in Texas for this trip.
Oh.
We'll be back to Texas eventually.
Well, that means she's going to make me go back and do some work. Well, we say we're full-time. We are full-time, but we still work. We still own a catering business in Arkansas and cook a bunch of some of that Mississippi
farm-raised catfish.
Catfish, yeah. And then we still own a small RV park, and but we're trying to get to where we just hit the road more often. We're heading to a bullfight today. I can't remember the name of the arena that we're going to, but it's there at the stockyard.
It's Fort Worth Coliseum or something, I don't know.
It's an old one there, but they say it's really nice. We're looking forward to it, and I'm really excited about seeing these boys fight these bulls. It's a young man's game.
Yep. Fun times.
Yep. All right.
We are fans of Texas. This is a Texas-born boy.
Lived
And
most of my life in Arkansas, though.
right.
So
But
we're just having a great time in Texas. So
everybody's friendly. It's a fun place to be.
So there goes a U.S. Navy vet. Just come up behind us, got it on his license plate.
Yeah, we're for veterans too.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, we done?
All right, well, get back with you later. $18.09, Becky.
No, 1908.
What did I say?
1809. It's a beautiful day in Fort Worth today.
Hallelujah.
About time, right?
Yes.
Broken, trying to make ground and stay in close proximity. Watch that, Max. You want to engage the animal, but you don't want to get run over by him, I promise. Nice fake, needing to complete the rounds. Gets pushed away, now Broken. He's got to make up some lost ground here. The bull's got to dominate the field of play. He's going to call on Max. Might have a little assistance. Whoa! High flying action. Max, stay down. Ready? Whoa! Ah, dicey. It's like being in a washing machine and get thrown out the back of a pickup truck. He's got nowhere to go. 10 seconds left. He's upside down. 5 seconds left on the clock. Down to 1. Hold. Round and round we go. Whoa, back step. Nowhere to go. Back to the middle. Home needs to slow down. There you go. Shape it up. Make it look nice. You gotta get out from between the horns. There you go. 20 seconds into the fight. Cole Johnson still on his feet. In his rookie season of Ultimate Bullfighters, he is trying to prove to the world he's got what it takes. What do you think, Texas? He's looking pretty good. Whoop. On the fence. Some time spent. 15 seconds left to go. Oh! Wow! Woo! Get it clear. Oh! Gotta get the ram on the horns. He's got to pick it up. Start over. In the meantime, whoa! Swing and miss. Wesley. That's one. That works. 2 more. You need 2 more. Tyler Norton. I don't know if I can count that or not. Try it again. That no counts. Tyler, 1 more to stop it. That'll work. 34 in the top 3 in the UBM World Finals. Connor Kay in the face of destruction. There you go. Make that bull commit. There you go. Fakes are working. Now the rounds. You can throw the passes, you can engage. Nice reverse. 30 seconds, and he was inches away from destruction on that one. Connor Kimbrough owning the day right now. Watch out, Max. Ow. Stay down. Stay down. 15 seconds left. 10 seconds to go. Connor gonna get every bit of juice out of this one. 5 seconds. Nice back step. That's a sell. That is a man on team in this game and see who the last man standing is. Let's count it down. 5, seconds into this fight, and it has been just that. Blow for blow. Now we see some control. 30 seconds left. Nice barrel fake. Get some balance. Slow it down. Now take it to him. 15 seconds left on the clock. Jackson. Okay. Run that clock out. Make it count. Wow. Jackson takes a punishing shot. Help him to his feet. He is right there in front of your very eyes. This is the most intense sport in the world. Cash, let's play. Show some control. No control there. Wow. Seeing going for a ride. Cash gun sells it.
When Marion Robert Morrison was born, weighing in at 13 pounds, no one knew that he would become the famous John Wayne, who starred in many, many westerns and war movies. The Morrison family moved to Glendale, California when John Wayne was around 9 years old. The small town was an idyllic spot for their family. It was while living in Glendale that Marion acquired the nickname Duke. The Morrison's dog Duke was Marion's constant companion. Marion would visit the local firehouse accompanied by his dog. The firefighters knew the dog's name and started calling Marion Duke as well. The name stuck. Wayne was also an avid and proud supporter of our U.S. military. These are some big pictures.
Remember he did at that time on that
What you think, Craig?
Hey, Beck.
You enjoying it?
Yeah, I'm enjoying it.
That's a cowbell.
Excuse me. Hey! Come on, boys.
horns can span more than 8 feet from tip to tip.
Billy Bob, Texas.
For the last 40 years, Billy Bob's Texas has hosted some of the biggest names in country music and rock and roll.
Earl Haggard's guitar. Willie Nelson. Kenya Tucker. Hard to see with this glass. It reflects everything. Blake Shelton. McCoy.
Billy Bob's is more than a historic entertainment destination with live music several nights a week. They're a testament to Fort Worth, the great state of Texas, and the wild, wild West, with plenty to offer out-of-town visitors, longtime locals, friends, and families.
There's somebody talking really loud over here, and somebody didn't put their hands in it. Put their boots in it.
Thank you for riding along with us. See you next time. Don't forget, like and subscribe.